How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back from getting the box trailer. We're going to be working on the Bendix. We got parts for campers just everywhere. As you can see, he's got a box here. That's our cover for our tanks on the front. We got a new vent for the roof to mount on. I stopped at Camping World and picked up a new fantastic fan, our cover, a bunch of lights. We just got tons of stuff to work with. So we're going to get on the Bendix today. We're going to be sealing the roof and putting there's a cover we had to break actually to get in to the let me get through here, Danny. When it was stuck under that roof, you guys remember when it was stuck under that roof? So we got to replace the cover. Let's show you what it looks like up here. This thing's filthy dirty. This is the cover we bought a new cover for this, so we're going to get it mounted on, and then we're going to clean the roof off real good and get it sealed. We got to replace one of these vents, and then we're going to put an air conditioner unit on that piece right there. So that's what we're working on today. So you guys hang in there to see how this goes. The first time this thing's been open for years. Look at the bee's nest. I'm glad it's not hot in summer. We're not going to get eaten up. What? What we're going to do now is just put a cover on this until he can get his air conditioner unit. That way we can seal up the roof. We're still going to have to come up and put the air conditioner unit on. But that's part of that piece that's going to cover that over there. We just went ahead and took the antenna off. We're not going to be using that antenna no more. We're not going to eliminate the bracket because we don't want any more leaks. And then we're going to put a cover on this one here just to make sure no leaks come in there. Then we're going to clean the roof real good and get it coated. And sometimes when you're doing these older ones like this, that thing could be pretty hard to get off. So what he's doing now, he's taking a razor blade going all the way around the outside edge. Then he's going to take a putty knife. Once he gets it started, we'll see if we can get it to start coming out of there. Now we're looking at the top. He's working on the top. Pulling that off. This piece here will come off. But you just pull it, the 4 screws out of the corners and pull it down through. Alright, what he's doing right now is just taking a wire brush, going around there and cleaning all that off. He scraped all the putty off of it. And he's changed his mind. He's not going to put the air conditioner up here. I guess he's going to use my new fantastic fan and just order me a new one. So I guess we're going to go that route, and that way he can be done with his roof. What Danny's doing there now is just rubbing that down with some alcohol, and he's going to put his sealer around there. Okay, what Danny's doing now is he's just rubbing that down with some alcohol to clean that up, to make sure that sticks real good to the sealer on the bottom. And this is, like I said, actually the fan that we had picked up at Camping World. Danny, hinge towards the front.
And wasn't stuck very good like that.
No. You guys, if you're mounting one on, you want to make sure your hinge is to the front. Did they give us a screw kit with that, Danny? No, you can't pull up on that thing. Okay, now he's got that all screwed down. And don't forget, guys, if you order these fans, you're probably going to have to order a screw kit too. We didn't order one with this one, but you may need a screw kit. So don't forget, get your screws. Well, he's just wiping off around that again, and he's going to take his lap seal and go around it real good and make sure it seals it up real nice. Alright, what Danny's doing, like I said, he's just putting the lap seal around there. Now that stuff there will actually flow itself and kind of make a nice little groove right on there. Don't be shy with it, Danny. Get her up on there good. Nobody's going to see it up here anyhow. Okay, what Danny's doing now is he's putting some over top of all the screw holes too. We'll make sure everything's covered real good. Okay, now Danny's working on that piece over there. That's the piece that we had to rip off to get it out from underneath the carport where it was at. He's done got the old one off. He's cleaning that up with some alcohol And then he's going to do the same thing he did to that Fantastic fan cover. We're going to do the same thing. Put all the sealer on it just exactly the same.
These four?
Yeah, I would use the shorter ones. Well, as you can see, he's got that all replaced now. He's just going to screw the top down on it. And it's all sealed up and ready to go. All right, we got that Fantastic fan in, and it's all sealed up. We cleaned off the roof as best as we can get it. Got that thing in. Got this here. Now, that doesn't have a fan in it. So it don't have no fan, but it'll be able to circulate air from that fan there back and forth. So that'll work out real good. Now we come into a problem here. We're gonna have to get this new vent for the stink pipe. We're gonna get it mounted on there. So we're gonna have to order one of them. But we're gonna go ahead and get a coat of sealer on this roof real quick. All right, this is the sealer we're using on the roof of the camper. And about $30 some a can. So it's going to seal it up real nice for us. Okay, we got the roof all sealed up now. Should be good. We're going to let this dry real good, and another day we're going to come up here and do another coat on it, and hopefully won't have no leaks. All right, that's sealing up the roof on the Bendix. We got a new fan in there, we got a new vent in the back, and we got the cover over top of the exhaust for the refrigerator, and we got the roof sealed. Now we're going to let that dry for a few days, and then when it gets, make sure it's good and dry, and then we're going to coat it one more time, and that roof should be sealed up really good. But we got to work on that back part there. We got that the vent for the stink pipe. We're going to go in and we're going to order a new piece for it, and we'll get it. The next coat we do, we'll be able to put it on and do a coat around it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.